हेलो एवरीवन, सत्य एंड सृष्टि क्लासेस में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज टू ऑप्शन गिवन आर ब्रेक डाउन फूड्स फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन इनटू द ब्लड, exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs, release energy from sugars within the cells, carry nutrients to all parts of the body. The function of digestive system is to break down foods for absorption into the blood. Your option A is correct. Next, question number 2. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion, digestion, egestion, absorption. Taking of food is called as ingestion. Option A. Next, the process by which the digested food passes through the intestinal wall into blood stream is called ingestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion. The digested food passes through the intestinal wall into blood stream. It is called here absorption. Yes, option B. Next, question number 4. The process by which the absorbed food is taken in body cells and used for energy, growth and repair is called absorption, assimilation, egestion, digestion. It is called as assimilation. Option B is correct. Next, the process by which the undigested food is removed from the body is called egestion, ingestion, absorption, assimilation. कौन सा प्रोसेस जिसमें अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड इज रिमूव्ड, that is called as egestion. Option A. Next, the canine of our teeth helps in tearing the food, grinding the food, biting the food, cutting the food. Canine of our teeth helps in tearing the food. Option A. Yes. Next, your next question is question number 7. Which of the following pair of teeth differ in structure but are similar in function? इनमें से दिया गया जो पेयर ऑफ टीथ है वो डिफर इन स्ट्रक्चर बट देयर फंक्शन आर सेम. कैनाइन्स एंड इंसिजर्स, मोलार्स एंड प्रीमोलार्स, इंसिजर्स एंड मोलार्स, प्रीमोलार्स एंड canines. That is your molars and premolars. Though they are different in their structure or shape, but they have similar function. So option B. Next, question number 8. The swallowed food moves downward in the alimentary canal because of force provided by the muscular tongue, the flow of water taken with the food, gravitational pull, the contraction of muscles in the wall of food pipe. Which one is correct? That is option D, the contraction of muscles in the wall of food pipe, जिसके वजह से क्या होता है, हमारा फूड जो हम स्वालो करते हैं वो डाउनवर्ड एलिमेंटरी कैनाल के डाउनवर्ड में जाता है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज योर राइट आंसर. Next, if by chance food particles enter the windpipe, we feel hiccups and cough, yawning, sleep, none of this. That is here hiccups and cough. Option A. The false feet of amoeba are used for movement only, capture of food only, capture of food and movement, exchange of gases only. The false feet of amoeba, also called as pseudopodia, that are used for capture of food and movement. So option C is correct. Next, hydrochloric acid is secreted by lining of small intestine, inner lining of stomach, pancreas, lining of liver. That is inner lining of stomach. Option B. Bile juice is secreted by which part of digestive system? Small intestine, liver, pituitary gland, digestive gland. That is bile juice is secreted by our liver. Option B. The acid present in the stomach kills the harmful bacteria that may enter along with the food, protects the stomach lining from harmful substances, digests starch into simpler sugars, makes the medium alkaline. क्या होता है जो एसिड हमारा प्रेजेंट होता है स्टोमक में जो एसिड प्रेजेंट होता है वो क्या करते हैं? Kills the harmful bacteria that may enter along with the food. So option A is correct. Next question number 14. The absorption of nutrients or food components in its simpler form takes place in, कहाँ होता है absorption? Blood vessels or small intestine wall, large intestine wall, gallbladder, liver. That is absorption takes place in blood vessels of small intestine wall. Option A is correct. In which part of the human digestive system digestion does not take place? इनमें से जो दिया गया है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के कौन से पार्ट में डाइजेशन नहीं होता है? स्टोमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, ईसोफेगस और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. योर आंसर इज ईसोफेगस, क्योंकि ईसोफेगस और उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? फूड पाइप. वो क्या काम करता है? इट जस्ट कैरीज स्लाइटली डाइजेस्टेड फूड फ्रॉम द माउथ टू द स्टोमक, लेकिन इसमें कोई भी डाइजेशन के काम नहीं होता है. सो योर ऑप्शन सी. नेक्स्ट, कर्ड इज द नेम गिवन टू द फूड ऑफ ruminants which is swallowed and undigested, swallowed and partially digested, properly chewed and partially digested, properly chewed and completely digested. जो ruminant elements के जो ruminant animals क्या करते हैं? जो ग्रास खाते हैं वो क्या करते हैं? स्वालो करते हैं, वो फिर से दोबारा निकल के वो फिर से उसको च्यूइंग करते हैं. तो वो जो होता है कर्ड बोलते हैं, वो एक्चुअली क्या होता है? वो swallowed and partially digested. Yes, option B is correct. The shape of stomach is flattened U-shaped, flattened J-shaped, L-shaped or V-shaped. That is flattened U-shaped. Option A is correct. The tooth is covered by white and hard substance is called dentine, enamel, pulp cavity or gum. That is called as enamel. Option B is your right answer. Next question number 19. The finger-like projections present on the inner lining of small intestine is called villi, stomach, rumen or diarrhea. The finger-like projection presents on the inner lining of small intestine is called villi. Option A. Next question. The other name of defecation is assimilation, absorption, egestion or ingestion. That is here egestion. That is removal of waste materials through anus. So option C is your right answer. Okay, thank you.